Yo, you guys smell that? I think I smell Mo ass, huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How you doing today? It's your boy D, and right now MC closed up 9% today, almost 10%, guys. Beautiful. It's a win for the apes, right, and for the ape community, right, guys? I told you we got this, and yeah, we're just patiently waiting, right? Not a dead cat, like Trade says, right? Shout out to Trades, pretty much trademarked that phrase, right? Yeah, but right now 1951, a little bit in the green after hours, right? And GME, GameStop too, it was up like 7-8%, guys. So just a beautiful day. And then on top of it, Lucid too, Bitfarms, I mean, BBIG, guys. So many stocks were just in the green today, right? And good to see finally after all this red, right, for a while. So yeah, a nice portfolio today. I'm happy with the results. Okay, but remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so don't take it as that. Take it for entertainment and educational purposes. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you why I don't think this is a coincidence. Yeah, so let's get into the info. All right, I got you right here. So first off, this news came out yesterday, but I found a new article today, guys. Right, so we just have to kind of talk about this because this is, in my opinion, why this is happening right now. Right, I don't think it's a coincidence. So the SEC and the Department of Justice are investigating Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, right, over the possible favoring of hedge fund clients in block trading, according to news, right? And so we were saying that they were taking our orders and they were batching them into blocks and then running them through the dark pool, right? As far as like the retail and the apes in the ape community, right? We've been saying this. So the SEC has issued subpoenas to the company as well as several hedge funds seeking trading records and information on communications between bankers and investors. The Wall Street Journal writes, citing people familiar with the matter. Okay, so they're reaching out to them and be like, hey, what's up with this, right? Because they found something. Some of the whom say the DOJ is also looking into practices surrounding large share sales. Morgan Stanley is particularly attracted early focuses in the investigation. Some of the people tell the publication. Block trades totaled close to 70 billion in the US last year, which was a 5-year record. All right, that was the red flag, I think, the 5-year record thing. And Morgan Stanley was the most active bank in the practice, ranking in $300 million in fees, according to Dealogic, the journal writes. Goldman Sachs is another major player, according to the publication, right? This probe is aimed at determining whether bankers improperly alerted preferred hedge fund clients about the sales early, whether that gave the funds a chance to short shares ahead of the public disclosures of the sales, the journal writes. You get it? So they were giving them a heads up, right? So they could make some money. Some of the funds in the investigation serve as liquidity providers to financial firms ready to buy shares that have little interest from other buyers, according to the publication. While the rules governing block trades are murky, lawyers say questions occasionally arise about the legality of giving out information and acting on it, according to the journal. The SEC, meanwhile, has been looking into block trading since at least 2019, when it requested information from several large firms, right? That's insane, guys. Like, they're like, hey, let's see the information. 1955 right now, AMC, guys. Just a big green day, right? Okay, the other news for AMC, guys, real quick, is that they have closed the senior offer, right? Senior secured notes offering. So they locked in 950 million, right? And we touched on this a few weeks ago when it first came out. But hey, that's more money for AMC, right? I believe. So they refinance like their debt and things like that, okay? So just a lot of green today, guys, across the whole market, right? I think, and even in crypto too. And I think it has to do with that things are getting pretty tight for these short sellers, right? Or whoever was abusing. Here's the order flow for AMC. So the large institutions, they actually picked up a lot of shares yesterday, as I saw in the 13F filings. But today was, I don't know. I don't even really care about that data, right? But I care more about this graph, right? This is the 2-minute and just the strength in it, just up, up, up. And like I said, 9.69% for the day. Let's go ahead and zoom out, guys. This is just beautiful. I told you guys a couple days ago, right, how this broke out of this trend here that it was in, and now it bounced off the EMAs, and now it's just showing strength. Okay, so to me, guys, this is a confirmation of the reversal. All right, can zoom out a little bit more, right? So bull flag broke, right, consolidated, ripped up, bull flag again, right? I just want to see the higher highs and the higher lows. Okay, as we zoom out, let's go on the daily. So to me, we're getting out of this downtrend, all right? And so I picked up a $20 call for Friday. We'll see if I can, pick up some. I'm just trying to swing it, maybe sell it tomorrow or the next day. But as you can see, we came right back to the CMA. So if we break that, we're gonna come test this next one, right? I don't know how soon, but if we just see the FOMO kick in tomorrow or more volume, it'll help us come test this $27 range. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is just looking amazing right now, right? So yeah, the SPY also, this is the 5 minute, just absolutely ripping, gapped up, consolidated, and then it closed into strength at the end. Okay, and that's what helped also push us to this 1950. Okay, now what they're trying to do is keep us from hitting $20. All right, let me show you what's at $20 right now. Right here, right, the $20 call for Friday, 22,000. So if we get these in the money, guys, that will be extremely good for us, right? As far as AMC for going into next week. So tomorrow, the next day, right, we can have a little push, maybe up to 23 to 25, right? There's a whole bunch more here at 25, all right? So, man, and the highest strike is higher this week, okay? So the highest is 85, okay? And there's 37,000 right now that are open interest. For the, let's see, the puts, nothing crazy here. I mean, the 5,000, so $25 strike. And then they're going to try to get it to 15. All right. So this battle is going to be between $15 and $20 for the week, in my opinion, guys, just by looking at this information here on the options chain. All right. There's a lot of open interest here at 12,000. Max Pain is at 19 this week. And then what we need to point out too is that the utilization has been at 5 days. It's been at 100% now for 5 days, a week since first reaching this level. It's currently up around 3.4%, but like I said, it closed at 1950 right now. It was up 9.72. So this is crazy. The amount of shares on loan, 122 million, right? So imagine all the amount of synthetics that are out there, guys. Like, it's just, we're getting confirmation after confirmation here. That's why I think the utilization, all we're waiting on is for the rate to finally start going up, right? If people still want to short this. Alrighty, here's the we got the Stonko tracker, so 38,000, but look, at $20, there's 26,000. That means that's 2.6 million shares, right? Because you multiply it times 100. And then all of a sudden, right, there was like 4 million or something, like I think yesterday. Now there's 1.7, right? So who knows what's going on with that? But I think we're so close to the squeeze, guys. I could feel it, right? Yes, and what I want to show you is that we still have people shorting us, like Jane Street. Look, they have puts, 3.2 million puts, right, as of today. These people getting in, buying puts. Oh no, they closed their puts. Okay, green is new puts, 14,000. I want to show you Citadel right here, right? So on the 14th, they have puts that are open, 3.7 million puts. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then let's move on to Lucid, because that's all I got right now for AMC, guys. But check this out. Lucid also just showing strength, riding the EMAs. Didn't go under and then closed into strength, right? So it really is going to want to go test that $30 level that we've been talking about. So we need to break, right? The last hike, it got rejected there, came crashing down. But now it's showing strength again, so it's going to come test it again, all right, in my opinion. So yeah, I was able to scoop up a few more shares on the way, so I'm happy, right? But of course, I'm still building. I'm gonna keep building my Lucid shares, right? And we do have the earnings report that's gonna come in soon. Okay, cool. So chart's looking good, guys. We can zoom out a little bit more, but like I said, it needs to cross these EMAs, right? That's gonna be the first test, and the big resistance is gonna be here at 31, around 3276. Okay, that's what we're gonna need to break through in order to get back up to these 40s. And a lot of it's gonna depend on the earnings and what they gotta say looking forward. But yeah, that's coming up, I believe February 20, Monday. It's a Monday. Okay, so I think it's the 28th. So we gotta look forward to that. Let's see, as far as the options chain, let's see what we got. It ran up quite a bit, so all these went in the money right today. So that's good. We have a whole bunch at 30, the $30 strike price, as you can see here, 15,000 open interest. See, anything else? No, that's about it. But that would definitely boost it, right? Coming for going into next week. And there's usually these runs that happen going into earnings for most stocks, all right, just from what I've seen. And then yeah, just like I've been pointing this out with Lucid, guys, I mean, there's a crazy amount of FTDs out there, right? This thing's all red. I'm surprised it's not on the threshold list, okay, because that's how crazy it is. So yeah, let's see, I got this article here real quick that I'm gonna talk about. So Lucid Group still has a big backer in the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund. Lucid still has a strong backing from the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund as it looks to ramp up production in electric vehicles, right? The Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund held 38.6 billion worth of Lucid Group at the end of 2021, according to the SEC filing. The value of the position was up from 25.8 billion held at the end of September. Shares of Lucid have fallen about 20% since December 31st to reduce the current value of stake. But yeah, they're still backing them. Like I said, it wouldn't make sense for them to sell anything when that rumor was going around, right, that they were going to drop a whole bunch of shares. I don't believe it. I think they're in it for the long run, okay? All right, so that's all I got on Lucid. Real quick, I'm just going to touch on Decentraland. Like I said yesterday, I got into it. I bought coins, right, for the mana, right, mana coins. So just since I got in, it's up quite a bit. 13% in the past 24 hours at 317. All right, so that's good to see. See a whole bunch of buying. Volume is good too, and the market cap sitting at 5.8 billion. Now today I actually went into Decentraland.com, right, or .org, and I built my character, okay, and I was able to get in there and kind of like mess around a little bit inside the world, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Shout out to the homies that reached out to me, right? We're gonna go in there and talk and hang and see what's up, right? So yeah, I'll let you guys know later on. Maybe I'll record a video of me just you know, exploring in there and seeing what's going on. All right, guys. So yeah, just let's wrap it up, guys. That's all I really got. That's the key information that you need to know. And yeah, just remember this: there's new investigations, there's new things that are just happening that, in my opinion, guys, could actually cause the squeeze, right? Because this new rules and new reporting, just the amount of eyes that are on this. Just in the amount of eyes that are focused on what's going on right now, guys, it's insane, right? And just by the math, guys, like I could tell there's just an insane amount of synthetics out there, right? Just my opinion, my thoughts, guys. Again, not a financial advisor, but yeah, shout out to you guys. Thanks for coming back, and we're going strong, guys, right? You know, maybe it's here, maybe it's not. Either way, right, I'm holding, and let's do this, guys, right? Let's make some money, all right, guys? Let's make 2022 the best year of our life, right? Our best financial year as well, health and all that, right? So cool, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.